Welcome to Quay, where modern luxury meets Toronto's vibrant waterfront. A stunning new development that has excellent potential for investors to add to their portfolio. And I'll tell you why. With convenient access to public transportation such as the TTC, the upcoming Ontario line, and major routes like the DVP, getting around Toronto has never been easier. But at Quay House, you have it all right at your doorstep. Enjoy an array of dining options from casual to fine dockside dining at spots like Simona and Irene. Known for their Instagram-worthy aesthetic and mouth-watering dishes, you'll never run out of places to explore. Major banks like Scotiabank, RBC, and CIBC are just across the street, along with a brand new community recreation center and dog parks. And to top it off, Sugar Beach, your very own urban oasis, is just steps away, ready to offer the perfect escape. Quay House is perfectly positioned next to George Brown's waterfront campus, the Waterfront Innovation Center, and major tech companies like Shopify and Google's new headquarters. This property is ideal for professionals and students alike, making it the smart choice to add to an investor's portfolio. Living here also means easy access to the best of Toronto. The iconic St. Lawrence Market and the artsy Distillery District right around the corner, where Toronto's history, art, and culinary experience all come to life. Reclaiming the neighborhood, revitalizing the waterfront, redefining your sense of place. This is life Quayside.